Say, let's learn about white horses. Camarillo white horses are white, not gray. Gray is a depigmentation with age. No matter how gray they become over time, gray horses are genetically never white. True white horses are a horse of a different color, literally. In 2007, a Swiss research team isolated the dominant white gene. Dominant white is extremely rare, but has occurred in several breeds, including the Camarillo white horse. A dominant white horse is all white, with pink skin and brown, hazel, or blue eyes. They are not albinos. No true albino gene with pink eyes exists in horses. In 2014, researchers at the University of Kentucky and UC Davis isolated the gene sequence for color and discovered there is not one single gene at work in white horses, but a sequence of genes called the KIT gene. Mutations affecting KIT genes result in lack of pigment cells, which leads to dominant white color. All dominant white horses tested were heterozygous, only carrying one copy of the mutation, as the mutation is likely lethal in its homozygous form. A potential embryo in utero with homozygous dominant white genes simply never develops. This is why a white foal appears only about 50 to 60% of the time, even when both parents are white. And what of the Camarillo white horses that aren't white? The Camarillo White Horse Association maintains a separate registry for non-whites called the Camarillo Heritage Horses. Camarillo white horses are a color breed, so phenotype, what they look like, is a white horse, with all other physical characteristics coming from the horse breed bred to. Historically, they are athletic, well-built with good bone and large, durable feet. Eyes can be brown or blue, and some horses may exhibit both. Originally, Aldolfo bred Sultan and Morgan mares, and resulting offspring showed Morgan characteristics. They were upright, light movers with slightly convex heads. Because some Morgans exhibit gait or move differently than other horses, some Camarillo white horses also gait. When Aldolfo's daughter, Carmen, took over the breeding program, she preferred quarter horses as breeding stock. So the horses became stockier, heavier, with longer hips and less upright necks, all typical of the era's quarter horse.